In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on how to activate your Sparkasse debit card. If this is something you want to do, then this video will walk you through the process. First, go to the official Sparkasse website and log in to your online banking account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Card Management section. From there, click on the option related to card activation. If you have more than one Sparkasse card linked to your account, you'll need to select the specific card you want to activate. Use the drop-down menu to choose your new card. If you only have one card, it will be selected automatically. Next, follow the on-screen instructions. You'll be asked to enter required details such as the TAN and ATC values. Carefully input this information in the provided fields. After entering the details, click the Confirmation button to proceed. Once completed, you'll receive a confirmation message that your new Sparkasse debit card has been successfully activated. You can now start using it for transactions. And that's it. That's how you activate your Sparkasse debit card. Thanks for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe.